How to create an Amazon account without using phone number. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your Amazon account without using a phone number. So the very first step is to go to your preferred browser. I choose Google Chrome for that. You can choose any preferred browser. And on the top search bar, what you need to do is type amazon.com right here. So it will take you to a screen like this. Now on the top bar here you can clearly see the option of sign in. When you tap on this, now you will be set to sign in either with a phone number or email. Now what you need to do is sign in with your email, and it will send a code to your email. When you tap the code and tap your name and fill out all the information which says you right here, your Amazon account will be created just like that. Do try it and see if it works or not. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below.